Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firman bin Zainal Abidin. My matrix number is 2023X71126 and I will present about air transportation that the company that I choose is Singapore Airlines. So firstly, for the table of content, first we have introduction and a characteristic. Number 2, advantage and disadvantage. Number 3, infrastructure and networks. Number 4 is policies and issues. Number 5, stakeholders. Number 6, case study. And lastly, recommendation and conclusion. So for the firstly, introduction and characteristic. For introduction, air transportation is the movement of passenger and goods using aircraft. It plays an important role in tourism, trade and economic growth because it provides fast and efficient transportation. For this assignment, I select Singapore Airlines, one of the world's leading airlines known for its excellent service and standards. So next, for the characteristic, Singapore Airlines is famous for its 5-star customer service and modern aircraft fleet. The airlines operate aircraft such as the Airbus A350, A380, Boeing 777 and Boeing 787. It is also a member of Star Alliance, which allows passengers to travel to many destinations worldwide. For the advantage and disadvantage, 3.0 for advantage, Singapore Airlines offers a high quality travel experience with excellent onboard services and the KrisFlyer loyalty program. Passengers can enjoy benefits such as free Wi-Fi and special meal options. Transit passenger at Changi Airport may also join a complimentary Singapore City tour. The disadvantage of Singapore Airlines, that despite its strong reputation, Singapore Airlines has some disadvantage too. Ticket price can be expensive and award flight availability may be limited. In addition, changing or cancelling award tickets can involve high fees. For the infrastructure and networks, firstly, for infrastructure, Singapore Airlines operates mainly from Singapore Changi Airports, one of the best airports in the world. The airline uses advanced airport facilities and a modern fleet of more than 140 aircraft to support its operations. This helps ensure efficiency and passenger comfort. So for the networks, Singapore Airlines has a strong global network connecting more than 60 cities in over 30 countries. Its routes cover Asia, Europe, North America, Australia, and the Middle East. Through Star Alliance partnership, passengers can access even more destinations worldwide. So for the policies and issues, Singapore Airlines follows strict safety and operational policies to protect passengers. During major delays, the airline may provide meals, refreshment, and ticket refunds. Baggage allowance also vary depending on travel class and destination. So for the issues, Singapore Airlines currently face several challenges. This includes delays in aircraft cabin upgrades due to supply chain problems and disruption caused by geopolitical conflicts. Such issues can increase operating costs and affect flight schedules. So for the stakeholders, firstly for the government agencies such as the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore regulate aviation safety and ensure airlines comply with industry standards. Their role is important in maintaining safe and efficient airline operations. Secondly is transport operators. Singapore Airlines works closely with airports, cargo companies and partner airlines. This partnership helps ensure smooth operation and better global connectivity. So for the number 3 is passenger or consumers. Passengers are the airline's most important stakeholder because customer satisfaction directly affects business success. Singapore Airlines continuously improve its services to enhance passenger experience. So for the number 4 is environmental groups. Environmental groups such as International Air Transport Association, which is IATA, encourage Singapore Airlines to reduce carbon emissions and adopt sustainable aviation practice. In response, Singapore Airlines invests in fuel-efficient aircraft and sustainable aviation fuel, which is SAF, to support environmental sustainability. So lastly, for the stakeholder is community organisation. Community organisations such as Community Just Singapore are important stakeholders because they help improve social welfare and community development. Singapore Airlines supports various charitable and community programs to create a positive impact on society. So, for case study, I choose SQ321 turbulence incident in 2024 as my case study. So, in May 2024, Singapore Airlines flight SQ321 encountered several turbulence while flying from London to Singapore. The aircraft made an emergency landing in Bangkok, result in 1 death and more than 100 injuries. The incident highlight the importance of seatbelt use, weather monitoring, and emergency preparedness in aviation. So, for recommendation, I recommend that Singapore Airlines should continue improving weather monitoring system and safety procedure. The airline should also increase passenger awareness about wearing seatbelts and provide regular training for pilots and cabin crew. In addition, investing in sustainable aviation fuel can support environmental goals. Lastly, for the conclusion, in conclusion, Singapore Airlines is one of the world's leading airlines due to its strong commitment to safety, service quality, and innovation. Although it faces challenges such as operational disruption and rising costs, it continues to maintain a strong reputation in the global aviation industry. So I think that's all from me about Singapore Airlines. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.